But today guys, we're going to renew the pollen filter, also known as the cabin filter. It's actually located beyond this glove box. So what we need to do, we need to undo this screw here. Don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a screw down there. We've got a screw up there. We've also got a screw down here, but it's in beyond this cover. So we need to get a screwdriver and just pop that cover off. Right. See if we can pop this screw cover off with one hand. Yep, here we go. Popping back. See that screw down there? They're actually 7mm. So we'll undo them and I'll bring you back. Okay, once you've undone those screws guys, the glove box will just fall down. You just need to disconnect the light from the back of the glove box because the wire's not quite long enough. If you look up underneath, you should have a clip up here, a clip on the side and a clip on this side. My clip's missing in the middle, someone's obviously butchered it off at some point. So all we need to do is unclip that one that side. You can do it with your fingers, unclip that one and then pull this down. And we should be able to pull the pollen filter out. We might need to get someone to cut out with. There we go. And it just slides out. Right, look at the difference guys. Look at the state of that one compared to the new one. So if I get rid of that one, and the new one just literally slides in that way, like that. Just literally slides in because it's up the clip on that side and the clip on that side. Just give it a push and it'll clip back in. Right, all we need to do now guys is the reverse process. Lift your glove box up in position, but before you screw it in, just make sure you connect that light, else your light won't work. And then clip the side panel back on. And that's job done. If you enjoyed this demonstration, please hit like and subscribe. Bye for now.